Time to change my oil pressure gauge. Just kind of flopping around here in the wind, and it hasn't worked for years anyway. Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day. So I got me an oil-filled gauge, and I'm going to replace it. This is not going to be a step-by-step. I'll just kind of show you what it is now and what it's going to be when I get done. I don't have a dash mount for my little oil pressure gauge. So I went and picked up a piece of steel, scrap piece of steel to the scrap yard. It's a pretty big one. It's only 1/16 of an inch thick. I'll put a hole in there or something like that. Might trim off a little bit on these sides. Cut it off. Put some holes through it so I can bolt it right in there just like the other one was. Well, that's the object of the game. Don't have any idea what the rules are, but I guess I better get started. Well, I bent this just in a vise. We have a nice little vise here at the RV park, and I just bent it. I've got a little drill press. I'm going to put a hole through it right about there. Cut it off here and kind of angle it off up like that. 800 RPM. There's the install after about an hour and a half or so. I thought it would turn out all right. Definitely mounted solid now. I'm happy. Okay. Installation looks all right. Everything's dirty and oily, but that's because it was oily from the last go around. I've got access to a sprayer, and I got to get my old Harley cleaned up. It's pretty messy, pretty oily. We can do that. All right. Got the motorcycle all cleaned up. New oil pressure gauge, nice and solid. Pretty well nice and shiny. Started up this morning. Took it out for a real short ride. Guess what? Oil pressure gauge quit after about 20 to 30 minutes worth of riding yesterday. Well, it quit this morning. I started it this morning, rode it no more than a quarter mile, and it quit. Can't win for losing. Please subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video.